Good morning. I am back again. I am your Ami ma'am with the same topic of fruits which we did yesterday. Today we are also going to do an interesting activity related to fruits. Let's first revise orally all the fruits which we learned yesterday. Watermelon, mango, apple, orange, grapes, strawberry, pineapple, banana, cherry, plum, guava. These are the pictures of some fruits with their plants and trees. Apple tree, mango tree, pomegranate tree, orange tree, plum tree, guava tree, peach tree, banana plant, grape vine, watermelon plant, strawberry plant, pineapple plant. Now once again, let's revise the spellings of few fruits which I taught yesterday. Now let's learn the spellings orally. M-A-N-G-O, mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, pineapple. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. P-L-U-M, plum. P-L-U-M, plum. Now, let's write the spellings of fruits in notebook. Today, again we will write the spellings of fruits. First we will write the date. 1/5/15.10.2020. Now we will write the title. Leave 3 finger space. Write capital F. Standing line, a long sleeping line and a short sleeping line. R U I T S, fruits. Now we will write the numbers. Write between 2 blue lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will make a cross. Cross, 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 cross. We will again write numbers 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will draw 2 lines against first 5 numbers. One line, 2 line. Now we will again draw one more line between next 1 to 5 numbers in the middle. Now let's write the first word. The first word is mango. So we will write capital M. Start from top red line, standing line, go down, touch the bottom blue line. Again go up, then a slanting line, touch the bottom blue line. Again go up slanting line, touch the top red line. Again go down standing line, touch the bottom blue line. M. Then C curve, go up, standing line. A. For N, standing line, go up, reverse U. For G, make a C curve, go up, standing line and a curve, touch the bottom red line. For O, make a circle. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Mango. It is the king of all fruits. It is very tasty fruit which is eaten in summer. मैंगो को हिंदी में आम कहते हैं. Now the next word is plum. So it will start with P. We will write capital P. Start with top red line, go down standing line, touch the bottom blue line. Again go up and make a reverse C curve and touch the top blue line. P. Then L from top red line to bottom blue line. U. U. For M, standing line, make a reverse U curve, one more reverse U curve. M. P, L, U, M, plum. Plum. It is a small purple colored fruit. This fruit is juicy and sweet. Plum is used in making jam. Now the next word is grapes. Start from top red line, make a C curve, touch the bottom blue line, go up and make a small sleeping line. G. For our standing line, go up, make a curve, touch the top blue line. C curve, go up, standing line. A. For P, start from top blue line, go down, touch the bottom red line, again go up, make a reverse C curve. For E, slanting line, go up, make a C curve, touch the bottom blue line. For S, make a C curve, make a reverse C curve. S. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Grapes. These are small juicy fruits which grows on vines and in bunches. Some grapes are green and some are in black color. Grapes को हिंदी में अंगूर कहते हैं. The next word is banana. We will write capital B. Start from top red line, go down, touch the bottom blue line. Make a curve, touch the top blue line. One more curve and touch the bottom blue line. B. Then C curve, go up, go down A. Standing line, reverse U, touch the bottom blue line. C curve, go up and down. Standing line, reverse U curve, touch the bottom blue line. C curve, go up, touch the bottom blue line. B A N A N A, banana.
Banana. It is a yellow colored fruit from outside and white from inside. It has to be peeled before eating. Banana खाने से हमारे bones strong बनते हैं. It is monkey's favorite fruit.
Now, the last word is pineapple. We will write capital P. Start with top red line, standing line, go down, touch the bottom blue line. Again go up, make a reverse C and touch the top blue line. P. For I, standing line and a dot. For N, standing line, a reverse U, touch the bottom blue line. For E, slanting line, go up, make a C curve, touch the bottom blue line. Then A. C curve, go up, touch the bottom blue line. Then for P, start from top blue line, go down, touch the bottom blue line, go up, a reverse C curve. One more P. Standing line, go up, make a reverse C curve, P. Then top red line to bottom blue line, L. And for E, slanting line, go up, make a C curve, touch the bottom blue line. Pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Pineapple.
Pineapple. It is a big long fruit which has rough patterned skin. From inside it is of light yellow color. पाइनएप्पल की स्किन बाहर से रफ होती है और इसकी स्किन पर छोटे छोटे कांटे होते हैं. दिस फ्रूट शुड बी पील्ड बिफोर ईटिंग.
Let's revise all the words once again. M-A-N-G-O, mango. P-L-U-M, plum. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, pineapple.
In this way, you have to write all these words 5 times in your notebook.
Now it's activity time. Children, today we are going to do an interesting activity of sorting out the fruits according to its seeds. Now I have placed the name of the fruits according to their seeds, and we will place the fruits as per the seeds. These are the flashcards of the fruits according to their seeds, and we will place them in the activity. One seeded fruits: mango, cherry, plum. Few seeded fruits: apple, orange, chiku. Many seeded fruits: papaya, guava, watermelon. Fruits without seed, grapes, banana, pineapple. One-seeded fruits, mango, cherry, plum, few-seeded fruits, apple, orange, chiku, many-seeded fruits, papaya, guava, watermelon, fruits without seed, grapes, banana, pineapple, let's revise once again. One-seeded fruits, mango, cherry, plum. Few-seeded fruits, apple, orange, chiku. Many-seeded fruits, papaya, guava, watermelon. Fruits without seed, grapes, banana, pineapple.
In this way, you can do this activity at home and learn the spellings of different fruits.
Hope you have understood this topic. Eat fruits and be healthy. Bye-bye.